Okay, the first step you need to take is to get your PC connected to the internet. Okay, here my laptop is connected to the internet. Then, after that, open your web browser. As your browser opens, visit studio.youtube.com. All right, this is the back end section for YouTube creators. So, as I've typed that, press the enter key for it to open. Okay, this has opened showing me the dashboard area of my Creator Studio. All right. If you're not logged in automatically, please log in with your Gmail address and the password. All right, for your YouTube account. So it will allow you to land on the page like this. Okay. Then for us to start the changes, which has to do with our profile picture and YouTube name as well as the handle, all right, which you can call link. Okay. The next step you need to take is scroll down by this margin and then click on customization. On this channel customization page, you will see interface that looks like this. The first one is banner image, which we are not interested in this case. All right, look at the first section we are going to work on here is the profile picture. Okay, so let's assume that I don't have a profile picture here, or this one I have here, I don't like it and I want to change it. So the next step you need to take is click on this change button. This will open a folder in your computer automatically. All right, so it's left for you to navigate to where you have the picture you want to use as a profile picture. Okay, so here I save mine in a pictures folder. So I'll click on this pictures folder. In this pictures folder, I have another subfolder I called my pic, which contains the picture I want to use for this profile. So I will double click on it for it to open. As you double click on the folder for it to open, then click on the picture for it to be selected and click on open. All right, you can see the picture has been placed here, showing you the safe area. Okay, this place down to this place is the safe area. So if it doesn't capture the safe area properly the way you want it, you can adjust it, okay, until it captures. Okay, for you to do that, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, all right, and then move up or down or anywhere. All right, so you can see it has cut off my head, which I don't want. Okay, so I'm okay with this. If you want to adjust from here, you can adjust from here. Okay, so but I'm cool with what I have here. So the next step you need to take is to click on done. All right, so once you click on done, your profile picture will be fully added here. Are you getting it? And the next step you need to take is to click on this publish button for what you added to be saved. All right, it's very important. If you don't click on this publish button, what you have done will be waste of time. So click on publish. Okay, now that we have successfully changed a profile picture, let's proceed to other ones. Okay, the next one here is channel name. All right, I've changed this channel name before. All right, so if maybe your channel name you don't like it, maybe it's bearing name, maybe something like Ozama Obiora, and you want to change it to maybe Helene Mike. All right, just click here and then you erase this. Okay, and then you type your name, Helen Mike, all right? Simple, which after that you hit this publish button, okay? But in this case, I want to leave the channel name as Learn with Mike. I'm okay with this, okay? But in case you want to change yours, this is how you do it, okay? You can see I cannot click on publish button because the system has detected that the name I changed to now is the same thing with the name that was existing here. Okay, so no problem. Then the next one we are going to change here is the handle. All right. Sometimes by default, this handle is not properly arranged. You may have something like learn with Mike 228889. All right, or learn with Mike underscore 128, which is not making sense. So here you can come here and change what is here. Take for example, what is I don't like it, I would just erase that. I may have learn with Mike 1. If I put that and that name is vacant, they will tell me that it is vacant. You can see here, all right, it has been ticked good, meaning that it is available. All right, but if I have only learn with Mike, let's see if it's available. And it's showing me no, that this name is not available. I can't use this handle because somebody has already taken it. Are you getting it? So here, let me have it as learn with my 247 the way it was before, and it's cool. So if, for example, I made a change here, you see this publish button will be clickable. I'll click on publish again. And with this, you are done with everything. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. And before I go, listen, when you copy this link, or this entire link, and then send to somebody, and that person clicks on this link, all right, he is going to be taken to the homepage of your YouTube channel. That's what YouTube, the handle does for you. All right. So, okay. So that is it. So, if you find this content helpful, subscribe. Okay. Leave a comment so that YouTube will rank this video and hit the like button. All right. You can watch the video on top to learn more on some things you got to do in technology. Thank you and see you some other time.